Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will be air frying fish fillet. So I got this from the store, frozen fish fillet. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. I put 30 minutes. So now let's start air frying it. Wait for it to get done, or check it in the middle of the timer. So right now I'm checking it after 10 minutes, and this is how our fish fillet look like after 10 minutes of air frying. So we're gonna flip it over. I like to flip it over every time I air fry something. I always flip it. And now we're done flipping it all over. Let's put it back on and air fry it for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's done. And it's time for us to set it aside. And this is how our fish fillet looks like after 20 minutes of air frying. So it's crispy and looks good.